In recent years, the rise of drones has completely changed the face of modern warfare. These unmanned aerial systems aren't just high-tech gadgets, they're powerful tools that can carry out reconnaissance, surveillance, and even direct attacks. As more adversaries turn to drones to disrupt military operations, the need for effective countermeasures is more urgent than ever. To meet this growing challenge, the U.S. Army has introduced the Counter-Uncrewed Aerial Systems Directed Energy, or C-UAS DE Stryker, a cutting-edge vehicle designed to boost short-range air defense. But will this new tech be enough to neutralize the growing threat from drones? While drones have been part of military strategy for decades, their role has expanded dramatically in recent years. What started as simple reconnaissance tools has evolved into advanced weapons platforms capable of delivering precision strikes. Recognizing the increasing danger, the U.S. military has been ramping up its efforts to stay ahead of the curve with new counter-drone technologies. Historically, the U.S. has relied on a combination of physical and electronic warfare strategies to combat drone threats. But as drone technology continues to advance, so must the tactics for stopping them. This is where defense contractors step in, developing cutting-edge solutions to ensure military forces can maintain their edge on the battlefield. The C-UAS DE Stryker is just the latest example of how military innovation is responding to a fast-changing threat landscape. Will it be enough to handle the growing drone threat? That's the big question. After just 8 months of intense development, Leonardo DRS and Blue Halo successfully installed a laser-equipped counter-drone system on an Army Stryker vehicle and recently completed a live-fire test in New Mexico. This rapid progress marks a significant step forward in the fight against unmanned aerial threats. At the core of the C-UAS DE Stryker is a 26-kilowatt directed energy laser, specifically designed to target and disable drones with pinpoint accuracy. This laser system offers a non-kinetic solution, meaning it can take down multiple drones without the need for traditional ammunition. The ability to neutralize threats without wasting valuable munitions makes this system highly effective for modern battlefields. But the Stryker isn't just relying on its laser. It's also equipped with 70mm laser-guided rockets and a 30mm automatic cannon, giving it the firepower to handle larger drones and other airborne threats. This mix of kinetic and non-kinetic options means the Stryker can adapt to various scenarios, making it a versatile asset in both offensive and defensive roles. On top of that, the vehicle comes armed with an M240B machine gun for added defense. This blend of cutting-edge laser technology and traditional weaponry ensures the Stryker can face a wide range of threats, offering flexibility and firepower for any mission. A key part of what makes the C-UAS DE Stryker so effective is its advanced sensor suite. It includes next-gen multi-mission hemispheric radars, which provide 360-degree coverage, allowing it to detect multiple drones across a wide area. This all-around visibility is crucial for responding quickly to fast-moving threats. What really sets the C-UAS DE Stryker apart is its potential for networking. By combining data from various sensors and sharing that information with other military systems, it creates a connected defense network. This not only improves situational awareness, but also boosts response times, making it an even more powerful tool on the battlefield. One of the biggest advantages of using directed energy weapons like the laser on the C-UAS DE Stryker is cost efficiency. Traditional weapons, such as missiles or rockets, can be extremely expensive per use, while lasers only require electrical power, making each shot far cheaper. This makes the Stryker an affordable way to counter large swarms of drones that could overwhelm regular defenses. Another benefit is sustainability. Lasers don't run out of ammo, giving the Stryker virtually unlimited firing capability. Plus, with the ability to adjust the laser's intensity and target multiple drones quickly, it provides commanders with greater tactical flexibility in fast-changing combat situations. Despite its impressive capabilities, the C-UAS DE Stryker still faces a few challenges. Environmental conditions like rain or fog can affect the performance of its laser system, making it less effective in bad weather. Plus, keeping the system running smoothly in combat requires careful management of power and heat. Two critical factors for directed energy weapons. Recent field tests have also revealed some limitations with current counter-drone systems, highlighting the need for thorough testing and ongoing improvements to ensure reliability during actual missions. Continuous upgrades will be essential as these systems face real-world conditions. As drone threats evolve, military strategies must keep pace. The C-UAS DE Stryker is a prime example of a proactive approach to layered defenses against unmanned aerial systems. Integrating advanced technologies like directed energy weapons into existing military frameworks will be crucial to staying ahead of future threats. The introduction of the C-UAS DE Stryker is a significant step in modern warfare, reflecting the U.S. Army's commitment to strengthening its counter-drone capabilities. As adversaries increasingly turn to drones, systems like the Stryker will become vital in protecting military operations. So, what are your thoughts on this new system? That's all for today. Thank you for watching.